Welcome to the Painful Budgeter. I am Payne, and today is Quarter Wednesday, and so we're going to be saving us some quarters, of course, because Quarter Wednesday. The goal of this is to kind of show you that you don't need a lot of money to get some of these savings or get started on this type of stuff. If you're wanting to start a YouTube channel and learn this type of stuff, you can actually start with some lower level challenges. I have a $20 Tuesdays, and I also have the Quarter Wednesdays, and sometimes the Quarter Wednesdays I end up putting more money away than I do the $20 Tuesdays. $20 Tuesdays. You can, put away anywhere between like $1 or $2 to like $10 or $12. So, or even more depending on how the dice roll. So let's get started today. Let's do a 2025. This is from Sin on a Budget. I'm like, I want a 2025, but I don't want to have one that's like 2,000 and something like that because I don't have the money nor the patience to save up all that. Wouldn't mind it, but hey, $500 is $500. All right, so we already have a good start on it. We have another 5 and 6 and 7. So we'll add some 5s to that and add dollars to the front. Put that in the envelope, and soon I'll have to condense some of these a little bit. Let's see, I already had some purples and some some things. Maybe I'll just do a sparkly black. Or actually the sparkly gray. I'm still waiting for a really good Uber to come through. I've had a couple of them, and I'm like, yeah, no. I had a $3 one that was for 8 miles, and I'm like, yeah, I don't freaking think so. And then I had actually a decent one that wasn't too bad, but I'd have to go out to like Orem or Provo and then drive all the way back. And I'm like going, I don't want to do that when it's cold and rainy. Maybe do it for if you're going to give me $15 or more. Because, I got to do some savings and pay my gas and everything else. All right, let's get the first one is done. This one I'll probably start saving around New Year's. Because I don't really have the money to save that one. So I decided to start on this one first. And when this one's all done, I will get started on the other one and make sure I was recording and my thing is on. All right. So this might be at start of the New Year's, and I'm hoping to have it done up before I get the 500 subscribers. That way I can use the 500 to do some gifts and that type of stuff and do a little prize and stuff. And I think the rabbit's getting hungry. She's throwing her bowl around. After this is done, I'll go and feed all the animals. I already had Jax come in here and tell me, we're starving. I fed them early, and now they're expecting to be fed early again. I heard you. Give me 10 minutes. It's like, you said that last 10 minutes ago. Literally, she's getting the joys of having an animal. All right, we will be doing a 6-sided dice and then painting it in. A 1 again. Last time I had a 1. No. Hopefully it's not a 2. No, it's a 3. Hey, look at that. I got a whole $1. Save me a buck. Buck. Sounds like I'm cussing. Buck. All right, let's go and paintbrush these things to something party. How about a green and a teal blue? Those are some of my faves. I got some paint brushes. Let's get a teal. Oh, I got a teal on a teal. With a teal. That's okay. I've done these a couple times, and they can turn out really nice. Especially if you have like some of the sparkly pens to kind of act, or even just some glittery paint and stuff to add in one of these or two. I'll have to do that maybe. Let's do something up higher. Let's do this one. That's kind of a cool looking green. And this is actually like acrylic paint. my friend, she's like, I got some free stuff for you here. So I'm like, all right, cool, I'll use it. I will use it. Bright, crappy stuff, but hey, I'll take anything that's free, really. Free and discounted. I love me some discounted craft stuff or some free. There we go. All done. put that in there. And this is from the 1000 collab with a budget with Tiffany 26, a bookish mama budget, and Elaine realized, and a Becca budget 777. Got another one, same road to 1K. Elizabeth realized, why am I stumbling over that? Budget with Tiffany 26, a Becca budget 777, and a bookish mama budgets. I'm pretty much going off script with a lot of these things. It's like every week I'm like changing what I decide I'm going to do with them, I swear. Come on, get out. Well, every week for you guys. Like the next thing for me. All right. We'll roll the dice, a 6-sided dice. I could probably use a bigger dice. And if we roll on one that's already been thingy, we'll just do a quarter. And then we'll get the other ones as is until we get them all done. And a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. So that is actually 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Okay, the ink one. And now that has been turned into a 1. If I land on one of these, it doesn't count, but I'll still put a 1 down until I actually get a number, or until I go out. 6. 1, 2. Whoops, already did that. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Hey, $1. Okay, and a lot of these already done. Sweet. Not a $1, a 1 quarter. Alrighty. So that was quick and easy. $1.50. Now I usually have about $40 worth of quarters when I get started the first of the month, and normally they can do me about 4 games, except for a game or 2 ago. I had like, it was pretty big, so I might actually just get 3 games out of this amount of quarters. Then I'll have to go and save up some money and cash that out, and then redo it. And I'll put I already have like $40 in here. And then I took the other quarters out, and so I'll have to get another $40 and put in there. No. What am I doing? Not that one. I want this one. Alright. This is a Bestie collab with Sarah Saves 07, Build Big Budgets, and Liz Worlds. Liz World 733, not Liz Worlds. You might have some worlds. All right. 2, 1, 8, and 2. Look at that. Get another one marked off. Low leveled, but hey. And I'm most definitely going to have 1. All right. 1 quarter. 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. 1 quarter. It doesn't count. I have to roll again until I at least get one of the free spaces. 4. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Another 1. Another 1, not 4. Yeah, whatever. So we got $1.25 on that one. Alrighty. Oh, that one, yep, that one is done. That one is done. Oh, and then we got this one. And this was our journey to 500 subscribers. I don't know if she has any other people that does it with her. I'm sure she does, because this is ours, but I didn't see where it was. Or that, all right, I cut it off. I don't know. Might have had another thing with all the names. Anywho, but this is Jesse Stuffs and 523. Jesse Stuffings 523. So where is it? Okay, I'll do the same. I will actually do that. 2, 1, and 2, and that is pink, so that's 3. And that is now a 1. 4. 1, 2, 3, and 4, so that is a 1. And that don't count until we get a free space. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That is still 1. 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That is still a 1. 3. 1, 2, and 3. That's still a 1. Hopefully you should get one here, unless we get it 1, 5. 1. All right. Got a 1, which is a purple, which is 5. and 5. And that is there. And now we're going to roll with the big dice and see if we can get a $5 bill. 17. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. So nope. Nope, no $5. We'll just put a quarter. And what did we save? This one always saves pretty good. It's very long. I'll have to make one like that or something. 4 for $2, $3, $3.25. I'm very raspy right now because I've been doing a lot of videos. Yep. Quarter down. Yep, another quarter down. All right. Pick them up later. I ain't bending down to get that stuff. Wish I had. All right. And now we need the 12-sided dice. Not the 20. We need the 12. Nope. 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 I already had it. Never mind. Never mind. Wait. Oh, I don't need the big one. Oh, I don't need the big one. I might need that one. All right. 1. I had that last time. All right, let's see how many I'm going to fill in. 3. It's like, dude, if it's another 1. 3. 3 ones. 1. Oh, Jesus. Scared me. Whoa. $20 for what? 16 minutes, 11 miles away. What is this? A pet? 20 minutes, 16 miles trip. No, that's okay. I don't want to go 16 miles. Because then I have to come back 16 miles, and that's 30 miles for $20. And we got me one more. Is that Quarter Tuesday? Yeah, no, that's not Quarter Tuesday. Did I just screw up? Dang it. That's Quarter Wednesday. I got 3 Quarter Wednesdays. And I got none of the other ones. I will have to, where's my, helps if I pay attention to what I am doing, right? 3, 10, and whichever one that one was. 3, 10, and I don't know what that one is. I'll have to look it up. Alrighty. Well, thank you for joining me. I will see you next time, and I hope you're having a wonderful weekend. I will see you next time. I love you all. Bye.